Hey guys,
I'm so excited.
okay, I am playing with my new Scorch paint. It is in the testing phase and it is going to be available in a couple of weeks. I took the paint and I added it through a stencil, and also I took a rubber stamp and put it on a rubber stamp. And then what happened? Nothing at all. Jelly on a board. But the magic happens when you add heat. So when you add heat from the heat gun, no, a blow dryer will not work. It magically turns into a wood burning. I love it. Science and art mixed together. How cool is that? Love you, bye.